Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excellent Economics. In this video, we will discuss about Jawaharlal Nehru University MA Economics with specialization in World Economics entrance questions paper of 2018. Before coming to the questions, if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe this channel so that you can get instant notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you. Now coming to the question. The first question is, suppose AB matrix equal to 5 4 minus 2 3 and B equals to 7 3 2 1. Then the question is to find the value of A. As we know, from AB and from the value of B we can find out the value of A, that is AB divided by B equal to A. But in case of matrix method, matrix operation, there is no formula to find out the value of or to use the division method. So as a proxy of division, we always use the method of matrix inversion or inverse of a matrix. So here we can find out the value of A, that is AB. In place of division, here we have to use B inverse with multiplication. So here the value of A will be AB into B inverse. So first we have to find out the value of B inverse, then we can multiply AB with B inverse, and if we multiply AB with B inverse, then we will get the answer equal to minus 3 13 minus 8 27, which is given in option D. So option D is the correct answer. Now next one, if the development process is characterized by what we have called modern sector enlargement, the relationship between GNP per capita and poverty in the distribution of income can be expressed as, given options are a strictly decreasing relationship, a strictly increasing relationship, no relationship, first increasing and then decreasing. And the question is about modern sector enlargement, and according to the modern sector enlargement relationship, as the GNP per capita increases, the rate of poverty declines. So there exists an inverse relationship, or we can say a decreasing relationship or a strictly decreasing relationship between GNP per capita and the rate of poverty. So here the relationship is a strictly decreasing relationship, which is given in option A. Now the next question is, what is the distance between the vector u and v? This question is about the distance between the vectors u and v, and here we can calculate the distance between the two vectors by using the element of each vectors, that is first 3 minus 2 means the difference between the first element of each vector, then we have to take its square, 3 minus 2 square, plus now the difference between the second element of the vectors, that is 2 minus minus 1. 2 minus minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 its square, plus now the difference between the third element of the two vectors, that is 1 and the difference 1 minus 2 and its square, 1 minus 2 and its square. So it will be, then we have to take its whole root over, so it will be 3 minus 2 equals to 1, square of 1 equal to 1. Now 2 plus 1 value is 3 and square of 3 equal to 9, and then 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, but its square is equal to 1. So 1 plus 9 plus 1, that is equal to 11. Now root over is there, so its value will be root 11, which is given in option C. So root 11 is the correct answer, which is given in option C. So option C is the correct answer. The next one, child rearing involves cost and benefits to parents, and there are economic theories that show, given options are, fathers and mothers share this equally, there is a trade-off to parents between quantity and quality of children? The income elasticity of demand for children is strongly negative? None of the above. And according to the economic theories related to child rearing involves cost and benefit to parents, and this economic theory, it shows that there is a trade-off to parents between quantity and quality of children. There is a trade-off to parents between quantity and quality of children, and it is given in option B. So here B is the correct answer. And next one is, in how many years will a sum of money triple itself when it is invested at an interest rate of 3% with continuous compounding? In how many years will a sum of money triple itself when it is invested at an interest rate of 3% with continuous compounding? So this question is about compound interest rate, and in how many years with 3% compound interest rate a money will become triple. The sum of money will become triple. So the most simple formula for this type of question is, here first it is, the question is about triple of the money or the sum of money will triple. So in the place of triple you can just write, for triple we can use ln3, log value of 3, ln3 natural logarithm, ln3, here 3 stands for triple, and divided by the rate of interest, and the rate of interest is 0.03, that is 3%. So if we use the log value of 3, ln3 divided by 0.03, we will get the value approximately equals to 36, and which is given in option B. So 36 years, in 36 years a sum of money will become triple with 3% rate of interest. So remember here ln3, 3 is used for triple. If it's a case of double, then we can also use ln2. In case of first time we can use ln4, and the denominator part, that is 0.03, it represents the rate of interest. If the rate of interest is 3%, then it is 0.03. If the rate of interest is 5, then it would be 0.05. So option B is the correct answer. Then next, in a fixed rent tenancy, risk is, given options are borne by the tenant, borne by the landlord, shared between landlord and tenant, none of the above. And in a fixed rent tenancy, the risk is borne by the tenant, as the tenant is bound to pay the rent to the landlord, so it is borne by the tenant, and it is given in option A. So for question number 6, option A is the correct answer. Then next, which of the following must be true of a continuous function on AV? And given options are, the function achieves its maximum on AV, the function is bounded. If f of A is 2, f of B equal to 5, then f of C equal to 3 for some C, which is element of A and B or belongs to A and B, and none of the above. And here the correct answer is option C. If f of A equal to 2 and f of B equal to 5, then f of C equal to 3 for some C which belongs to A and B. Then next one, without adjusting for purchasing power parity, real GDP tends to understate income in developing economies by, and given options are, underestimating saving, ignoring government deficit spending, omitting non-market transaction, all of the above. And without adjusting for purchasing power parity, real GDP tends to understate income in developing economies by omitting non-market transactions, and it is given in option C. So option C is the correct answer. So friends, we have completed first 8 number of questions of MA Economics with specialization in World Economic of Jawaharlal Nehru University, and we will solve the subsequent questions in our next and upcoming videos. So if you like this video, then please give your valuable comment, please share and subscribe, and thank you.